Yeah, my ride done this morning. Break away from the boy them. With a leader go up. That's what them catch me. Them catch me with the leader go up. I break away from them. Them the ride too slow anyway. Them should be. Oh, look on a nice girl, man. China girl. Shit. Girl pussy fat like mudfish. Bumbuckler, dog. I see her already in a walk past. See her there? She fat in a dog. I think fat on the front there, fuck. She got the gym down there, so. She got the gym down there, so, yeah. The pussy fat like mudfish, the bumbuckler. Yeah, man, I break away from them going up. I'm not sure I remember which one break away from them. I break away from them after we pass on the Hollywood bypass. And I start dig up the road and I go up there and I see them take them a crawler come. I turn off left at Sheridan Street, take that road there. Then I see them look behind me, I see them pass while I go over the bridge. I reach down at the cutout where them go come from Dania Boulevard. I reach there, sir. Make the left turn and I look and I see them come up there. Them almost there behind me, you know. Them they're right behind me, so blood clot. About probably 400 or 500 feet away. I pull away from them and then a couple of the guys follow me. And then we go around Pan Griffin there, so. Then we go down Pan Northeast 10th Avenue. And then to Blood Plate. Then catch me up. You see a barrage of them pass me, dog. And then Avery take the lead and go up. Avery win the little sprint, go up there. Anyway, we're gonna come back, a different thing. I can't believe when them come back up. I can't believe them deter, them make a right turn. They don't usually have blood clot. I don't know why they make that move there. They try to just continue up on the street. You know the community there, and then they would have catch me up. Because that guy did behind me, him catch me up. And then they just right behind him. But I threw them divert, you know. And that is the reason why. That is the reason why they must take the route. They must take Northeast 5th Street or Southeast 5th Street. I must let them take Southeast 5th Street them take and I don't see them back a block. I can't believe the way. The other guy come up. We just see if I make the other dude go over the finishing line. Yeah, man. I don't know why them now pump the way them supposed to pump, because it's kind of surprising now they make me get away from them and they never run me down on the street and catch me before me really come out of the community. I mean, they say them usually come and catch you. They don't want nobody get away from them. You know? They don't want nobody get away from them around. I can't believe it, yo. They pull away from them. Miami dead. Or them call Miami Gardens. Yo. I can't believe them come. I pull away from them. Me and the other youth win by a big margin too. Big margin. You know what them a think about. They must say watch them one another. I must that them I do, you know. They must watch them one another. And then no man no want to break away and pull away, his foot get tired and the other man him go around him and him get dropped. I watch him one another, you know. Them I watch him one another. Me not watch nobody too. Me feel strong and feel refreshed and me always perform and push the bike according to how I feel. Yo, I say more bigger muscle mass to see yo. More bigger muscle mass for them leg you fuck. See? My leg them is smaller than this one. Them is smaller than this bum buckler. Then the more smaller and fine, especially in 2018 when we just start the race. Alright. My leg them a bit more smaller, but them get bigger, them kinda expanded a little bit. Then so that's what all this nobody else say no, that big old round part. It nobody else. That's what nobody else. Them round part, nobody else have blood trams. Them expanded the fuck. Look there. Them never did it. Them expanded. We get a little bit bigger. And that's why we can put more force on the crank and make the bike go faster and we can have a more lasting endurance. Yes, yo. You don't know what them people must go ride around it. They must go ride around the roundabout there. We're not Ventura Circle. I must say that they must go ride around the Ventura Circle. They must go make some rounds. Yo, the phone stable as fuck. Love it, you know, I zoom in, you know, to the max. I see them there. I go around the corner and the autofocus still I catch them. Autofocus. Look how far. Blood. Mad yard. Anyway, I feel nice. Get thanks to the feeling today. I man feel nice. I man feel good. I man feel the weight in the morning as I should. Yeah. I dropped from my 3 gun them last night in the blood clot lake. 2 pistol, 1 rifle. Gun thing. I don't want nobody find them and go use them. I don't want to carry them back to the gun shop and buy them and get them back for money. Because I don't want to gun go in a circle. Just dash with them blood clot last night. And dash with the bullet them, the ammunition them. Dash with the blood clot. So I just want nobody really piss me off and I have to go to a gun store to buy back a gun. I'm glad still. I feel good when I dash with it, you know. I don't want to be one of them ones that will jump up and show gun strength and they run when gunshot are fired. You can't stand up and take shot and then be impervious to it, you know. You know? I don't want to be them kind of guy there, blood clot. Just want to be a little bit different than the other one of the world. Be better than police officers, soldier, gang members and mafiosos. Just want to be impervious to take shot. Yeah, with them if I want to make me dead. I just know that me want to be stronger than what other people not actually willing for themselves. Yes, sir. I feel good on myself. I don't have them no more. I feel good on blood clot. At least I don't depend on a gun for save me. I know so that can't save you. The 3 guns I buy at the gun store. I buy 2 guns offline and got the gun store go pick them up because that's how them ship them. I buy 1 gun from the gun store back in 2018, 2019. I pay $906 for one of them. I pay $200 for this one small one. And then I pay $400 for the AR-15 rifle. I dash with them blood clot last night in the lake. I dash with them pussy clot. Dash with everything, dog. I feel good as fuck. I feel good then I dash with the machine them. I have no machine for talk about me. I got to defend myself. I can't waste no time to talk about me. I defend but I got to save my flesh. Yeah man, I see enough people have blood clot gun and they end up dead and lose it and you couldn't save them. I see blood clot enough people, I see them a bad man and gangster and they end up get gunshot and dead. Yeah, with them just, you don't look on them, you don't raise them from the dead or nothing. I wheel out a tuning, one raw tune. Yeah man, I wheel out a tuning there, see that? Yeah, wheel out a tuning. When the bike wheel wobble like this and out, make you slow down and you cut your speed. I want them new bike them want to buy. Them like that, their wheel run straight and smooth as spread and then fast, you know. I want them really want with no money and buy. Or buy, but I buy a whole, but I probably spend over $100,000 with all I me also. I'll just buy some road bike and see me can create myself a cycling team. And that's what I do. And then if you have enough money, I just put on some races and make the man them get paid. Oh, and that's not for the man. And see me can get people sponsored. Collect sponsorship money and then put some of my money in it, organize some racing, put on some big thing. I love to breathe it. You know, do that and have it lasting for years. I chose 6,000 years, or just 9 years away from now. And war go play out. Miami they destroyed by nuclear weapon from Persia. I even get a dream so that city are destroyed by nuclear fire. And also Nostradamus, the French prophet, prophesied that New York City located at near 45 degrees latitude they go burn. So I know say USA right now, Israel and UK, them are number one enemy against the Muslim nation of Iran. And them also talk about them in the news media with them on. And them also make enemies against them like trade embargo, sanctions and drone strikes. So all of that will lead up to animosity and hunger with Persia. When Persia done build up nuclear weapon, them going to launch over here against these people over here. But enough of them over here, them don't know that. Almost all of them don't know that. They go surprise them as fuck. When New York City get destroyed and gone off the map. And then a year so it destroyed it. When them finally get the news and New York City get destroyed, another nuclear weapon come over bomb buckle at Miami Dade and wipe out the city. We get a vision in 2016, say Miami destroyed by hydrogen bomb. Yeah, will them show me that vision there. Real vision that. I write it down in my email and post it back to my email. And also, we get a vision in 2011 in April 15 in the spring season there, you know, about as if great tsunami coming to the eastern seaboard. So the eastern seaboard over there, so what's part them skyscraper there? Over there, so. Over there, so the eastern seaboard, which part, the Allendale Beach and over there, so. Which part we are riding quite from A1 here come. Over there, so the eastern seaboard, which part them skyscraper there, over there, so. East. Yeah, man. Dreams say a great tsunami come from the eastern seaboard to blood clot. And wash enough people. I mean, at the dream, I'll get wet up. I swear to my John, I'm dead. And I know say about 15 years after that, the vision will come to pass, you know, the dream, the event. 15 years. And that will be about 2026. It should be about 2026. And it should be in the same April much about after the first month to the second month of spring season. The same time when Yahweh them command the rain for start fall. Yahweh them command the rain for start fall. On the 17th day of the second month. In an hour time. And I see him time, you know, I get the dream, you know. But April 15 at the second month, so. See him time. See him fucking time. Because Yahweh them now choose the date. If you know say another 15 years, if you use the date for tell me say that are the amount of years. I go fulfill and then the event play out. I know say I saw him using wisdom. I know say I saw him, I know say that in me. Nah, and choose a date if you don't know say the year. The year, as the year comes to the 15th year, the event play out. And the alright, there's a prophecy in the book of Revelation for that, you know. Revelation chapter 8 verses 8 and 9 talk about a great mountain burning with fire and part of it was cast off in the sea. And a third of the ships of the sea was destroyed. And indeed, about 1/3 of the ships of the sea traveled the Atlantic. And the Atlantic seaboard over there, so, over the east side. The sea just right over there, so you probably see them skyscraper there. Just beyond it. You know, that's about probably about 2 mile radius. It was a 2 mile, probably about a 2 mile radius or a 1.5 mile radius. But when you go around on the street, it's going to take you about 2 miles for each up there. Right over there, over Collins Avenue, there, so eastern seaboard, right over there. Big things are going to go on, brother. Big destruction. These people over here, them do not know what's going to happen to them. You know, I'm also gonna go at I'm gonna go to Allendale Beach, and I'm gonna also Allendale Beach. I'm also gonna go at Hollywood Beach. I think them gonna ride either Friday. If them ride Friday, and them stop at Hollywood Beach, I go at the beach and make a video of it and try to foretell the event of the great tsunami. I go come on the eastern seaboard. You have some nice, beautiful real estate, you know. That line off right there out of Ocean Boulevard. Them the real estate that gonna get wrecked by the water when they ride up on the seashore and come in. All of them are gonna wreck on them blood teeth people with them houses. Some of them are gonna probably get caught off guard and drown when the tsunami they play out. It should be happening in the year 2026. It is 15 years after the date shown to me in April 15, 2011. So right now I'll put this part video just in case it play it out. We can pull up other video off of YouTube and off of TikTok and tell people of the event. You know? New York City will get destroyed in the year 2029. October 17, March to the 10th day of the 7th month. At that time, Persia will launch against the West. 2029 are 5,996 years after Adam. And it is also the last 4 years to go to the end of 6,000 years. At the time, Yahweh them appointed for Persia to be the ride of the red horse and fulfill the prophecy of the ride of the red horse in the book of Revelation. And at some time, but not for the people that don't know our ass, not for them to know. October 17, 2029. October 17, we match it to the moon changing light phases on the website called calendar-12.com. It showed that October 17 match on a month of it matched on a moon phase where the moon was in its it is a waxing crescent on the 10th day. Yes, it matched exactly upon that. On the October 17, 2029. So at the same date, the day of atonement, Yahweh them appoint the timing for the war to start where Persia launch against the West. But enough people don't know that. All the pastor board in America, the Christian pastor, they don't know that. When they say New York City get destroyed by a nuclear weapon, the whole of the blood clot people in Voyager surprise, including the pastor board and all of the Christian people. You hear none of them right now talk about the event of the Great Tsunami, coming on the Eastern Seaboard, You don't hear none of them talk about how much years the USA allowed by Yahweh them, which is 250 years. You don't hear none of the pastor board them right now. You don't hear none of the Hebrew Israelites them say that neither. You don't hear none of them on them in the Seventh-day Adventist Church, none of them in the Jehovah's Witness Church, none of them in the Roman Catholic Church, and you're not even the Muslim one talk about how many years the USA is given, and about the Great Tsunami coming onto the Eastern Seaboard. Hey, a couple of years back, when my brother driving another same Nissan Versa, I will go up to one store up at Pembroke Pines to go buy something. See? Because I call that here, I go to go buy some juice. I think of some sauce-up juice thing, See? And some other juice they make out of passion and fruit and anything. I say, you call, I say, come on, so I carry go up there and you saw it nice and I chew it, the juice and really nice. But when I call, I drive go out there to blood clot, I tell the man, say, call, if I go on, prepare for get back to Jamaica, because my dream say a great tsunami I come onto the Eastern Seaboard, And call, spin around and say, what the fuck you know that? I say, my dream say the same thing too. I say, them show me the event. I say 250 years the country over years given. So when 250th year come, the event going to play out for mark the fulfillment of that upon the time. My brother was kind of partly shocked when I tell him. Say, you see after the event play out, national must say, war are going to be imposed upon the West by Persia. You see a king of Persia become unmerciful, become very, very unmerciful, and it's like say he's going to become so angry that he's going to destroy several countries and destroy them cities at night with fire from above, and the way a national must write it in a theme quatrain. It sounds vivid and real. So that I come up on the West over here, but they don't know. Them people don't know a blood clot. They don't know a ras clot. That place will become nuclear ash heap. Enough people melt off and dead off and the building them tear down. The place will look like a blood clot war zone like Berlin. That's going to be like, it will look like the days of World War II. Alright, so what USA do with the atomic bomb to Nagasaki and Hiroshima over Japan in 1945, or the same thing that happened to New York City and Miami and probably Washington DC. Yeah. Or the said fucking thing that happened to them. Same thing that happened to them 84 years after. Same thing that happened to them. But they don't know that. A big thing that go on. Now for them people right now, they are working and get money and have car and house and them things, And they have sex and suck cocky, suck pussy, fuck body. And they live well, they have everything, them things that always go on. Understand? They're not going to say that comes to an abrupt end when Persia launch against them. They don't know that. I see Gentile man over here, so yo, cool. The Gentile man over here, so my boy, they are fiend people, and they will make trouble against Persia. They will make trouble against Iran. And create drone strikes and kill enough of them, and they will kill Palestinians, and they will do them things, so there will be no checks and balances for their action. Until the time when the appointed time come for the war, and the 10th day of the 7th month come the day of atonement and Persia launch. Even Persia never know say other date they will launch. They must just get up mad one day and just get mad and launch against the West. When a Yahweh live in them and make them get angered, and that day come the day of atonement, it just match out to be on it. And they don't know. Yahweh them control everything with the spirit, with theme spirit in them head, but they don't know. I said to play out to blood plead, yo. I tell you say they gonna be wicked. Yo, I say my well want to get my dream fulfilled this year. Sure, I don't want to talk about my thing, Them say the wise man wait until afterwards. Get dreams, I win the lotto several times. I well want to win the lotto biggest year. I win the lotto in 2018, but a 5 number out of 6. The boy them pay me $3,696. You see it? John knows star, I nearly catch a lot and that is by a dream number. A dream me getting at 2013, August 3, on a Saturday morning. My dream see number 6, 9, 16, 27, 29 and 33. And I buy them for basically almost 5 years. I buy them for 4 years and 7 months, and then in a March 28, 2018, 5 of the number them play upon a Wednesday night. Nobody know. I have a friend named Casey jump on my blood 650cc under Silver Wing scooter and go to Aventura Mall right out there, so the mall over there, so. And me and Casey in a 2018 are going to the mall and we are looking for some vehicle, you know, like some Porsche Panamera park up at the mall, you know, and we have to say, Bumbo Clark, Casey, imagine if we win lots of stuff, we buy some of them luxury vehicles, we start driving and get beer girl and get beer pum pum. And to my surprise, I don't know if I win the blood clot. To my surprise, I don't know if I win at least 5 numbers out of the lot. I don't know. And when I come home, dog, I park the bike, I come inside, dog, and I mind say, yo, check the ticket. I'm going to check it. I'm going to go check it on the website on my laptop to blood clot, and I Casey there in a dog. I'm going to say, blood clot. I say, yo, Casey, Bumbo Clark, I win. I say, blood clot, Casey, come here. I say, I win. Pussy clot, dog. I say, yo, dog, look here. Look on the date. Bumbo Clark. We say, yo, we say, look at this blood clot, yo. We say, yo. You see, yo. I couldn't believe it. 5 numbers of blood clot play. We say, I'm glad you fuck. 5 number play to pussy clot. I'm sure Casey and man say, yeah, man, it match, man, the date match, man. And yo, about a week after that, I go down a blood clot. About April something. About April 4 or April 3. One of them did it. Probably on a Monday or Tuesday morning, I go down to Miami Lakes with the ticket and I bring my social security card. I bring my driver license. And I go down there. And then I go down to the city now waiting until my number get called. I go up at the window and the woman take my papers them and my social security card and my driver license and check if I'm legal and blah blah blah. And I was happy and I laugh. If I win 5. Yo, I just laugh in front of our staff. So I can't believe it to blow out. Jesus. I couldn't believe it. The lady that smiled back with a little smile, you know. And then she started up my thing, you know, because this is a man honest, you know. And, you know, don't know I'm illegal in the country, so them not going to fight it, you know. All right, if you're not legal in the country, and you're a visitor, and you win the lottery, them still paying you, but them take out about 30% out of the money. And them give away if you get. All right, so I kind of like the American gentleman, them make that policy, they kind of fear, you know, because enough of them people, you know, come in the country, you know. And bring money to the country and them buy that and say, look, we have them win. And them can't collect it because you have an unjust tax regime, you know. A body have laws that unjust. So, you know, yeah, them just say, you pay a higher tax, 30%. And that's it. Yeah, I win a lot of a feel sweet for 5 number. I'm seriously, the whole thing, I look back again. I said, I couldn't believe it, blows and skirt, dog. Mad. Feel like so fuck. Anyway. I win back all of the money I spent over the years. I spent about $500, but win back about 7.4 times. When I add up back all of I spent for buy the lotto number for about nearly 5 years. And 7.4 times I win back. Anyway, I give thanks to that. I just have a bigger thing more with it now. Eh? Mad thing you. I say I win. It's all them blood cloud plaza. But just find out who I sell them. If the price right, I just buy everything from them blood cloud. And done. I buy everything from them blood teeth and all. One thing I want to invest in is a bike shop. I want to invest in it because these products are very high price ticket items and they take long to sell these products here. I want to invest in a bike shop. You know, it takes long, man, and the prices are very high, you know. And that's why I want to invest in a road cycling equipment. It will bankrupt a business and it will make you be like on line of credit. It will force you to go to a bank to put you on lines of credit and all of that shit. Because I know say that's how I am here finance this. Man, up on lines of credit. And then every time when the man them working there, them generate a cash flow and him help pay down theme line of credit. Him credit balance and all of them things there. So that keep him going and them things there. But him a live well still. Yeah, that enough people live off in America. They live off a business line of credit. Yep. And that's how the thing go. Anyway still. Make my video now and thing so. But I gotta go home and I just hate you. And I gotta go home and I gotta start my machine and all that. Alright, I don't know. I go put my speaker in that car. I look a sound speaker, boom box. I I'm gonna try to open up the rascal door from the other side. The door angle I need to change it, broke off, you know, so. I can't open it, so you know. I say I can't open it. Ah, blood clot. Ah, fuck. It a juke my finger, you fuck it and pierce my finger, see my boy there. And the whole of them get dropped in the game, in the dog. Yeah. Yes, you open the blood, bleed over my finger, so I can't believe it. The blood and skirt in the yard. Anyway. Yeah, man, see it there? When I turn on my blood cleat, you know, listen. Turn on my little GoPro, so. Yeah. Yeah, man. I turn on my car dash cam. This supposed to be me. I'm a camera racing I'm use and film the cycling races. And I turn it now into I put a suction cup right up on the ball, man. So it hold on on it. Usually the suction cup the right up on the grass. But it hold on on my blood plate, the roof light. So I'm gonna now go sub and turn on the power button yourself for record. Me shit, you know. Yeah, I like record this. This is this GoPro. It record very high definition video. I like it a fret definition video, clean and clear, 4K and shit, 2K and also 1080p. I love it in a star, man. I don't like the blood clot. Oh, I yard me a reach and on a yacht. Man feel sweet like yesterday, no? Oh, alright. I really not work a blood clot, must go on dash way. Go with me now, you know. Yeah. Road bike up on my back of my vehicle, I'm going home. Bumper class. I come tell man fuck around them years. You know I hear no fuck around them years. I was worth more of my money to take myself out of the place, you know. Yeah. Oh, the business gonna open up or coming to open up? A New Year's Eve today. Oh, a New Year's Eve fuck right on. The boy them a keep a ride tomorrow morning at Peters Road.
Power off.
I'm gonna try to go up there. But I'm supposed to keep a race tonight. I'm gonna try to go for a race which is Big Wheel Tuesday. Big Wheel's Tuesday race. I go up there and then try to ask them do that if they really are race tomorrow because of Peter Road. So we can't come here tomorrow. We can't come on Venture tomorrow. Peters Road race tomorrow morning. So I want to go in at that. I want to go in at that. And them usually ride go for Pampona Beach, you know, you see it. Give thanks for that for now, cool Lord. When I tell her that I feel sweet, you know. I feel win a lot of money, you know. Enough girls still have enough luxury car I drive. Go Jamaica go buy some electric car go drive as well. I want to buy 2 of the Chinese you get them to, you know. I want to get, you know, at least 4 of the Chinese you. I can buy a dozen from them. I buy them, I bring them come to Jamaica and clear them. Buy a dozen or 2 dozen of them. Yeah, I'm going to go to Jamaica and get an import license, auto import license, and then go to China, but spend my blood clean money to a lot of money, I win 100 million up here. You know, if you have really, man, you're going to really win that show. Let's go down to go buy the UE get them, because them the vehicle, the Chinese are going to give them up good quality. More one of that. I just rather go. I see me up. And anything me come. And I don't play the technology, you know. That don't play the technology of electric vehicles. So, electric vehicles are nice shit to own. I just love the camera here. The camera records sweet the Note 10 plus 5G. Yeah. Hey, you know so my second Note 10 this in 2020, you know. Let's call it 5 years ago. I buy a Note 10 plus 5G from a black youth. I say just get it, but he must sell it. I'm gonna give him $700 fee. The one that they are yard, it a work, but if you need to get a new screen feed. I still have that, the one there work. But the one I'm gonna buy with you, that one you to blood clean. I tell you, the camera them sweet, yo. When I make video with them, no channel, you just love watching video back, especially for your blood clean. Big 65-inch or 55-inch LED screen. I had it. Yeah, great man, people, and I say. Chin, when I say yo, Saji, Chantel, 20. Lord, clap, I soon come in and call the phone, but I cannot. Show me on the money yet. Until I work on money up here, money done. Gone now bills for blood clot. Only Rasta man, I send the money about last year too. Rasta man send me in a jam. Just send him $100, the $200 more send him in, but tell the bum buckler bills them, you know. They call me bum buckler, you see it? I'm not working out, you know. I just, my mother alone, you know, I do anything in a dog, I'm telling her brother, I just want to whoop a strike, a look just coming on my favor right now. One of them vehicles like Dodge Durango. One of them they call by with the man tell me say him pay about, how much him pay about? 9,500 of the two car. Him have a 2014 Lexus ES 350 and him get a Dodge Durango with it, you know. I say, Carl, you're lucky, get two car for the price of 9,500. I say, woo, 2014, shit. So dude, lucky. The motherfucker's lucky, dog. Man in traffic. I love driver recording on your sweet feeling on your. Go put them video on my YouTube channel and shit. We just love all them blood clotting I look, dog. We just love all the thing them look, you see it, yo. Me not complain to nobody, yo, no. Me love all them look. Dear girl. Win lottery, I say me can't get enough girl. Enough virgin girl, give me pokey. Give me pump when I need. Blood clot. Yes, UT, yo. Alright, see the traffic up on 95 Vermont, see that? See the 95 traffic there? Now blood clots in there. Yeah, so after all the day, you know, it clog up at 4, it clog up, man. It clog up. And through, I think there, no dog. And I through, yeah, man, actually, I through holiday, you know, that's why you don't see much traffic going on, because some people go work, some people not go work, you don't know, you know. Yeah. So that's why you see it. So that's why you don't see what if a traffic on the road all 95. It's not real work, you see all when time all Thursday come, dog. When a New Year's they are going to be holiday. So the day come after that and people are going to work on the Friday. You fuck, you're going to see I-95 jump up. You're going to see a piece of blood clear traffic. And the traffic, you know, so the traffic, the pile up contribute to too much people who are coming out of the country still. Legal immigrant, and America get overwhelmed with a large amount of people and think the country well developed, well educated, well developed. The Gentile people have a well oiled working machine over here, and you know, body can come and try work and save money and pay them bills and have a little life and go and eat and drink and rare. You know, see. So that is the reason why, you know, the country full of so much traffic on the road. Even Jamaica too. Jamaica become this blouse and skirt shit. You see it? Jamaica become this blood clean traffic jam country. Mad yo. I love drive your fuck and have my blood clot video run. Just avoid making mistake with my steering wheel. Just put my camera in on one spot and hold it and then focus on the road. And my position at the oh my god, clear now yo dog, you see? On that boy, I'm gonna wave to my drive there, you know. Yo, the camera really sweet, you're fret, man. I used to ride scooter too like that, man. I see me there. That my scooter, yeah, see me. But the rascal, I crash, the brake lock up on me. Watch for the brother I drive so fuck up, man. See me just pass, man. He drive away, he just drive on a hitch up behind, man. And black man, they fool. But they ain't wisdom. Like a plastic cloud today. Yeah, man, I saw the things. Yeah, but I saw drive and I go home and look at life in Miami than about better than Jamaica still, not gonna lie. I just have to stay with the trouble over this bomb buckler. But I can't have nobody that quarrel, no gunfighting, no police officer, bad behavior, or hear bad behavior. Make sure say you don't do not forget the voting and all them things. That's what say, you're free against them fuckery. You want to know, say you win a big money for yourself, you got Jamaica, go build a big house and have a business, or you have fruit, start pack up in your garage, and if you can build a next house, build it and have it. Everybody if you have 2 houses and 2 vehicles. Everybody if you have two one thing, have one for backup, you see it. So we're not the one right now for buying a banana bread. We can't get to do nothing in that, put an indicator on me and go make a right turn. Car fly a fuck. Oh, bumbo clown. Yeah man, it's a fly man. Yeah man, a bad piece of thing I go on even now. Bad piece of you. Bad piece of now. Want a new vehicle still but need a new vehicle. Oh, the pussy them took up the parking lot. Fucking drunk for them. See a white block this so. Go drop the vehicle in that. Fuck out them man. See a white block here. I check full of a pussy over there. Every black cat if you have your seatbelt. I wonder if we can make it tonight, huh? Oh, good your blood clot. I like me a lip. Pussy clot, dog. I don't like me a blood clot. I'm clear? Blood clot clear. What I go on now? Yeah, man, me night now, man. Alright, we can line over that straight shit now. Alright, fuck. Yeah, my car alright. I've that car 13 years. I've that car from about 2011. Because I get it news. But the second one of the car, you can't get it newish. You buy the car, you have Solaris, auto sales, right down in Miami, this one. Probably down in Miami shores. Anyway, head on my video, dog. Time for going now. Ah, boy. Head on the video, Green One people. Big up my family member, them down there, you don't know. Man, I have no big money, that's why man can't fire come a friend come look for me still. But I don't know, Yo, I don't know. See that? Foreign life, nice more time, good for left Jamaica, When you leave Jamaica, you want people them down there, your family member, them take you for granted and disrespect, Like I call for my brother, I don't nobody knows I'm going to fly home. I just not tell nobody, just leave them blood clot behind and make them look stupid. Also, some girl down below me like Dirty Stinking Shelly and Dirty Nicole Fenton. Them girl there come go like say them now want you because you're poor now, man. They're not going to know some man over sooner or later lift up and fly out. Dirty Nicole Fenton and Dirty Shelly. Dirty Shelly now, she go fuck for my boy, her name. She met boy the breeder Nash. She probably have a one car and do taxi work and then later on they set up in funeral home now. Them girl they licky, they green one woman. And most of them, country women, they licky, they love give their sex to men who they think they can get money from. And if a guy have a car, them give sex and have a child for you, Because they know them can depend upon you for money, for taking the money with the mind the child them can eat and drink out of it. And that's the carelessness with it. That's the mental carelessness with women in Jamaica. They're mentally careless. They always take themselves and sell them sex for money and Them act like another them do. So that's why them two girls did reject me and play me off the evil, but they never did know someone go migrate and come in a better life. Right now, I fight for one of them if them did keep up them good towards me, but them evil. And though the fuck of them feel when them hear say Chris not around anymore in their foreign. Because my father tell them. And not even him know say me da fly out, you know. Not even my father fly out. Because him a fucker too, you know. Yeah man, my father a fucker against me man. So I come back a country there, nothing going for me. Babu, play me for evil. And then all my father to a fucker. 1999 my father said something against me when I too like. You know, the man said, oh, cook nothing for him. And that my father said, you know. In 1999, you know, when I come back to the country, then, because nothing going for me at all, you know. The man cook food, you know, and he always left food for me, you know. And this time I think he left the food in the kitchen for me, you know. I'm going to go eat it now, you know. And he come back from out the street now. I hear him now, I search around the kitchen and I make noise and I say, who can eat my food? I wouldn't left nothing for him. And so my father said, you know, Alan Williams. That motherfucking first born, arrogant bumbuckler, man. And that him say against me, you know, dog. That's like, oh. I don't defend him, I don't fight for him. He arrogant to fuck and he keep up a lot of fucker and he make us suffer, you know. And go back to our country in 1985, you know, we get all manner of bad treatment from Neil and Andrew and Gloria them. Babu too. Yeah man. We get bad treatment from them people. Yeah man. So. And that caused by my old man, my father dog. I still leave down at Jamaica and come up here. I still send $300 to give him for making re-roof the house down there. He don't give me back a feedback, you know. He take the money, you know. He don't even call me a blood clot and say get the money, you know, Alan. He dark and arrogant, you fuck. I want a man where he's a fucked up mentality, man. He might curse him own children, them. When him should provide for his children, them. He fuck up in my mind, man. That's why when he dead, me please not to go in funeral. I please not to go no fucking where. I please not to go to his funeral when him dead in 2011. I'm gonna wear a bomb buckler, brother. Make him dead and come out for the bomb buckler. You have another enemy again. Sean and Uncle Veron and my people will make themselves enemy to me without cause. Because that take some electricity off a Babu thing and Babu cut up my wire and then we try to take some electricity up a road with my one wire. And Uncle Veron come like him a fight against man on that, you know, and Shana them. And I say, Shana, they see me every time them call me, I call to them. Anybody knows say them would all talk against me. Nobody even know. Them think they shot me and fuck you. You can't tell you who are enemy of country against man, you know. You have let me tell you something. You know, say Veron and uncle still, but he kind of diss me one at a time, you know. I kind of diss him back and run him, you know, because nobody knows say I same state towards man. Because enough time, you know, when you're a young youth, you know, for 85, 86, 87, 88 and 89, Veron them and Sister Rose them also ask me to pick breadfruit for them and run, go a shop, go buy things for them. When they ready, them send me go to Malgully with a meat and go buy meat for them. Enough time, me all run my wheel. And one time Uncle Veron said, no man, let him carry wheel, man, him wheel carry faster, you know. Yeah, and indeed, when I go down the hill, the wheel around, and if I run behind it, so I go to Malgully faster and come back faster. So I kind of like Uncle Veron for that. Because he never keep up my self-righteous behavior towards me, see? And say, yo, put on the wheel, man, and go to Malgully and come back with man run the wheel. When other people are saying, no, I have to put on the wheel. When I run with the little wheel and wire. Yeah, man. So I kind of like Uncle Veron more time, because Uncle Veron asked me to pick breadfruit for him over here and there and pick tea and everything. I jump on the wheel team, come my uncle. And then the man they cook and give me food. And my sister was they like them two people, but when the people talk against me, I shock your fuck. Me bum buckler, I couldn't believe it, a rascal. You have Uncle B, a man, daughter named Melissa, she have an enemy too. And I have Spongy to blood clot. Them two girls show bad vibes to me, you know. Let me tell you who not show bad vibes to me in our country. Sonia and Saji. And Batty Rider, Chantel. You see it? None of them not show no bad vibes towards man, dog. And also Miss Tina, and Miss Tina, granddaughter named Nancy. And Nancy daughter Jordan. And them the people that not show no bad vibes towards man, you see it? Yeah. Yo, I say I can't believe it, yo. She no star. The people I think of that them are people rate you, they not rate you. Them I couldn't believe it, yo, dog. I say, yo. I say, oh. Yo, a girl named Nicole Fenton, which is a friend to Claudette and Charlotte. You one time I hold on for a girl and to blood clot and I try to say I like her and yo. You're the girl leg off for me and dirty boy. I was shocked, you fuck. I couldn't believe so she said that. You see it? I'm going to start keeping distance from her. Then shortly after that, now a couple of months past, I jump on a plane and go on a blood clot America and leave. Forget about all of them shit out there. Yeah man, Chantel, no, sorry, not Chantel. Nicole Fenton, the girl said, leg out, don't touch me dirty boy, because I me down the money and I'm in work and I just come back to our country and think. Yo, the girl deal with me wicked, yo. Bumbuck, lad. But them bitch, they must feel away when they say I'm on fire and gone for. Yeah, of course, and dirty Shelly. Dirty stinking on Shelly. She go breathe for blood clot, my boy, you know. Where me, Nash. And the thing with Nash, you know, them man, they not use them wisdom in the youth. Just run tax in the youth and save the money in the youth. And then try to get a bus. Them man, they now gone in a bumper ass class. Funeral work. Funeral work for prepare dead people's flesh for money. It's a stupid motherfucking work. Even Junior, Maxine's son. When me hear them get gunshot and dead, and I say 4 shots in the back of my for what? I walk out it. I bet you say the same brother where did make Nash coming at the work. Because the same brother they did probably a theme funeral thing, theme funeral parlor on Mile Gully. And he also have on a royal flat. And he met them 2 man they coming at the business. And then to see them 2 man they now go set up business to rival him. And then here said Nash get killed because there must be money in borrow for somebody and he must not pay them back all of the money or none of it, none at all. And then gunman come for him to make it look like say them are robbing bar, then him coming at the bar, then they shot him and kill him. And that me here. So Shelly now, I know sir, the man where she want money from him because him a prosper and drive a little car, then have a little funeral party. She go fuck and give away a little pussy to him, have 2 little son, two twin youth, and then know them there. See the father. So she Shelly evil towards me because I'm like that girl. I mean, I said the thing work because of evil and a boomerang to make the 2 youth them lose all them father because his motive is love of money and then whoever him borrow money from to set up him funeral business. I go at that, go back and forth and come back to make him dead. And see 2 youth them, you know, my father and money, my share alone now for the Canada for American and mind them. Yeah, Shelly a fucker man. Tat and daughter straight up. I don't really hide and talk. Because that the girl that like that the girl in our rascal. That the girl that keep up her fucker behavior against man. And when she keep up her fucker behavior against the man, I won't really talk to first. I'm going to try to talk to first. I think Nicole or I won't try to talk to first. Either Shelly, you know, or Nicole first. You know. Nicole keep up her behavior and start try to reason with Shelly. Shelly keep up her fucker behavior. But the girl never didn't know say me have a mother or father who file for me and send for me. But I send for her too. But I send money for her every blood clotting. But I come to come mark to her and bring her come for this blood clotting. But the girl never didn't know say me can go for it. Yeah, the whole of them blind. And then John here because man have things and you don't have nothing so them play you for evil. That's why I say when me get rich, I now waste my time married to a Jamaican bumbuck that woman. Especially the girl that come from country. Now I'm married to them and now they come into my wealth. Never. Okay. Thr run me around with them nasty ass. Because the blood clot girl them evil towards you when you don't have no money in a dog. When you don't have no car in a brother. When you don't have your own house, you know. When you don't have no job in a brother. They think you want to have sex with them and leave them and, you know, gone. When we have a good intent, we have a good intent for both of them girls. 2 of them keep a fucker. But just get my blood clot people, them send me a money, buy a plane ticket and just cut. Them things say we don't go to Jamaica and all nothing youth. You see, that's why they reject me. And keep a fucker behavior them blood clot girls and country girls. When I'm bumbuck like Richard Martin, none of them dirty stinker. Not even on my car them a drive a ass class. I'm going to see them on the road and drive and wet up them rascal. Them evil man. You see it, yo? Therefore now I live better life and now I kind of better. Still not make no big money yet, but kind of better off. You see it? I send money to Jamaica about a month ago or a month and a half ago to buy a car. I have money down there to buy a car already with my brethren. So as long as I don't use my blood clot money, I can know, you know? I can have the money to buy a car. My car man there in Jamaica already. If you just get another money to buy another car and then get a money now like all one 50,000 US or 100,000 US or more. You know, start building my little big mansion. Just that my workout you know. You see it? Yeah man, I said stay man. Everybody knows some man go progress on that time. Me girls, everybody know that. Things say me get rich me go Martin and now no. And call no one. Murder on a bomb buckler. Murder shot on or stab on a blood clot. Or pay a man for killing her. Married a Jamaican woman, then evil when they don't have no money, then treat her body, no? Jamaican woman. And the fuck of them people like them and all that. If you don't have no money to give them, they don't give you no kiss, no sex. Not even if you are true, if you want to be a true friend with them and have a true relationship, they don't want to see things that way there. As long as you not work, you get fucked. As long as you work have money over care, then talk to yourself and let down them guard. That's what I notice why enough of them breed for the man who them breed for. Because Tata must breed for Tiddy and Shelly come out of that. Because Tata knows the boy can give her money for money. So I should have known better, I should have discerned it. I know me I see it. I mean I see a blood clot dog. I worry about things you see it. Man all this Tata or nothing, you know. But you don't know say woman when nothing going for them at Jamaica, them not work, they go breed for somebody who have shop or car, you know. I say go. Bumbo clot dog, I tell you straight up dog. You wicked man. Wicked youth. Anyway, I'm on a cut out here now still, you see it? Alright, my green one people and take care of you. I don't know until I'm on pass through. I just don't want to say I have enough money down there. Anybody beg me, I think I can give 150, 100 and so on and so forth. I just have the money because I don't know say I come to Jamaica, enough people go want to beg me this and that. They look at me and say no money. I just want to come to some fully loaded with beer cash and just give people things but then go and get money to spend up. I come back to Jamaica poor. I come back down there fully loaded with cash, beer money and have a nice vehicle I drive. You see it? But I have the girl in the front seat. I want a different girl to talk to. Talk to a Jamaican woman. You that talk to a Jamaican woman is because you're your own from the island and she know how to rap with a Jamaican man. But a foreigner more time, I don't want girl for a foreigner, you know. Because they can be sexually nasty, you know. So enough girls today nowadays with the man them in the country. We give them money and have sex with them and them girl they bow down them and give them man the oral sex. So I don't really want none of them foreign girl to all that. Jamaican girl, I don't really want to condemn all of them because they have some good quality one. I just lucky to find one of them good quality one there. You say yo dog, the things to you weird yo dog, you see? When you're not at Jamaica, the girl them give you bad vibes you. You say they come America you, when you hear me not there with a Jamaican woman dog more than so. But when they with a foreign female. They would girl that have discipline like the girl from South Korea, China or Japan. Them girls have discipline. And them probably will, you know, be loyal to you. Yeah man. If they're a Jamaican woman, you have to have money and like resources and everything like that. Otherwise the girl like I think so you got to have sex with her, breed her and leave burden upon her and gone. So none of them are going to hurt your feelings. So if your feelings genuine, they mash it up. And it make you become cold-hearted towards woman and your black woman as a whole in Jamaica. And when you get rich now, you don't want to trust to deal with none of them. And when you're poor, none of them don't want your ass clot. When you get blood clot rich, you can't trust to be with what? None of them, because when you did poor, none of them don't want you. So what? I true. Better you do with a foreign girl. Maybe I said to play out for me. Anyway, but done with the video still. Life kind of feel nice right now. But that's my gun them last night in the bomb buckler lake. 3 guns, 2 pistols and 1 rifle for me to buy. You know? I don't really want to feel like I should depend upon gun for real and truly protect myself. But just dash them blood clot last night at the bomb buckler lake. I make video of my gun in the room and pull them up, take out the gunshot them out of the cartridge them. And I also make video with me at the lake last night and dash them blood clot. But I upload one of them on TikTok and TikTok said violate them guidelines. Because the gun them there on camera and rare. Anyway, we put one of them on YouTube still. We're going to put the next one on YouTube, you know. I'm going to delete one of them videos. I think I'm going to delete a video, you know. I'm going to forget. Anyway, I'm going. I don't give a fuck. You can go on. I don't give a fuck. Anyway, I just say go. I'm going here, man. Everybody, take care of yourself. Boom. My family, big up. Who love me and my family, big up. I like one like us. Who don't love me, who can't fuck off. Straight up. Who don't like me can't fuck off. Because I know who is already. You see it? Straight. I know who is already in a Green Mountain family. I know who is already. I know who a fucker against me when we down there and poor and all. Nothing. You see it? I know who never support man. I know who never help man. So them know themselves, them can't fuck off. But regard people who like me and who never look down for me when I come a blood clot Green Mountain. And I know. Straight. Gone dog. Can't video the surrounding and thing. All over my place. I don't know nothing for no blood clot love up to come out. All the man they walk here about 8 years to blood clot. I try that, she turned back to her asshole. Old lady, very crazy. End of the thing, yo, boom.